Yo, what is up, dabbing cast? What is up, my anglers? I hope you guys are staying high and fly. I feel like Ricky Bobby right now. I don't know what to do with my hands. Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video because I know it's been a while. I think the last video I posted was probably around February or March. I can't even remember. I really haven't been fishing lately. I just kind of been focusing on me and trying to figure out what I want in life, I guess you could say. Another thing that reason why there hasn't been new videos is the videos that I was gonna post, it was actually with a buddy of mine, a good friend of mine actually, since like the 3rd grade. Shout out to Louise and Katie. You know, they go by Gills for Thrills, and we went fishing at this one spot, you know. Well, actually before that I had went fishing off the Trinity and I had caught this one drum, I believe. That's something I've been wanting. I should have surprised, but I'm gonna show you guys the clips. But that's a video that's been wanting to post, just a little clip right there. I've been having like some technical difficulties, and then I also had like life difficulties. This time they both hammered me at the same time, so I was just like, god damn. I was like, I'm just gonna take a break real quick. I had this video made already, but some reason, somehow, I guess there was like an update in my computer. It like erased everything. And then on top of that, the application that I usually use, you know, to direct all the footage and to edit all the footage, yeah, as you guys can see, I got a haircut now. I don't got no more long hair. But anywho, back to what we were talking about. I had these videos, they were already made, they ended up being erased. So for some reason the update messed up the application, and for some reason I couldn't use it for so long, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I apologize that it's been a while. I just wanted to make a quick little video. You know, I'm back. I'm gonna be making videos. It's midsummer. I have not been fishing for spring like I should have, and but this video that I'm gonna show you guys is a video that I've been wanting to show you guys, and hopefully, you know, it's gonna have some freaking footage finally, some content. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And again, I'm sorry, you know what I mean? If you guys are still supporting, as I can see, I still have all my subscribers. I appreciate it. I thank you very much for your guys' patience, and I hope you guys do understand. Thank you guys a lot, and I really hope I can get some footage and fish with other anglers, and get some cool content for you guys. And I'm gonna promise and try my best to be persistent and be back on this. And you know, you guys always remember, be safe and stay cool during this heat, and stay high and fly. Peace. What's up? It's pre-spawn season, so you know, bank fishing should be really the key thing right now. A lot of debris right here, as you can see, a lot of trash. Maybe there's fish underneath. I saw something jump over there. I'm gonna try to attack the bank lines. Come over there, there's rocks. There's a little drop off right here, some rocks, so maybe there's some bass in here, we don't know. Hopefully, shoot, hopefully we have some luck today. Got one, guys. Ooh, what? On the first cast. Let's go. Oh, it's a drum. What? I got you. Wow. Yeah, right?
That's what she said.
What? Oh, that's badass. Oh wow, he's still fighting. Let me get it out of you. Thank you for biting, man. At least didn't let me get skunked. What the hell? Ooh, stinky fish. It's a nasty fish. Not gonna catch that again. Let's let you go, buddy. That was so fucking cool. Oh shoot. Oh, I don't know if you guys did see that, but I saw something blow up way over there by those rocks. Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's your boy Rick. Welcome to the Dab and Cast channel, where we like to stay high and fly. Today is gonna be a good day. We're gonna go do some fishing, some kayak fishing.
I'm actually gonna meet an old friend of mine that I know ever since like 3rd grade. But he came here and he caught like 7 himself. So I'm like, heck yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some content. But yeah, hopefully we have some good luck today. I'm gonna see a good old friend of mine. It's gonna be good memories to make. And hopefully we have some good luck. And yeah, hopefully guys, I'll see you guys out there. My boy Gills for Thrills right here, yes sir.
Fishing, boy.
Well, we better hit that spot, G. Welcome everyone to the sacred.
Hey, come on, let's take it out.
Gotta stay hydrated. Very important. Look at this view, guys. This is Bass Haven.
It's gonna poke.
Yes.
Are you on YouTube?
Yes, are you guys Gills for Thrills? Is this the right area?
We're your fan, bro. We watch all your videos.
I know, I watch all your guys' videos too on the cool. This right here. I forgot my chair. I really did. Oh yeah. Ooh. Already. Oh wow. I got a knot in my freaking reel. Well, you guys, got off to a good start. I got a knot in my reel. And then on top of that, I forgot my seat for my kayak. But on the bright side, I'm fishing with Gills for Thrills, my homeboy from the 3rd grade. We're gonna have some fun. Hopefully we catch some fish. We got Dr. Katie over here nursing the fish. Hey, did he hit it hard?
Hard.
Oh, he's beautiful and healthy. He's got to be Gucci. Alright guys, I'm about to say a little update. I haven't caught anything. I'm rigging up stuff, trying to see what's up. Luis caught already, I think 2. Katie caught like 3. We're on fire right now. I'm over here on the skunk. We're gonna go ahead and just go back to the old Texas rig. I'll try one of these bandito bugs. One of my last ones, I bet too. I got two left. Man, I hope this baby works. Let's go! Woo! Let's go, baby!
Skunk, what I tell you?
Let's go! Let me put the J down.
Oh, that's
He ripped my bait off.
You got him back. You got him back for
Did I
bait.
Oh yeah, I got it. My boy said, go over there where the water's still, and then just switch it to a bandito bug. And I was like, all right. Boom! Suck on the second cast, because the first cast I lost the damn thing. Oh yeah.
Taking a video.
Oh yeah. What are you thinking? Maybe a little 1.4, 1.5.
Yep.
Pretty.
Woo! Smell him.
You gotta kiss it.
What I tell you,
Put a
bro?
nice little bite on the bandito bug. On the bandito bug.
Can't get the release underwater.
You go, ready? Here,
Got you, bro. Here.
Here.
Or
Which
Katie
way?
Got you.
Ready?
Got you.
Dang, this guy's slow.
He smacked that shit hard, dude.
Yeah.
I hit it right there in that little point.
Start biting. This
That little
is
point.
about to start biting.
At that time.
Yeah, the sun's about to go. I got an hour or so, son.
Bro, let's go. Hey, look. I was smoking a J2 while I was doing it. Your bro was out here staying high and fly while I did it. Ah, that's what we do.
Back to the spot.
There we go. Hey, that's the first fish in the kayak.
Hey,
yeah, that's the first fish in the kayak. That's what I'm like, damn. Ooh, let's go. I got it. I got you. Ooh, big splash.
There we go.
Yeah. I see you. Yes, sir.
You got me wet. My dumbass forgot to charge my.
Ooh, had a bite. Damn, I keep hitting the grass.
I'm telling you, bro, I'm like, look at my rod. It's tipping. Look at this. Got half a bandito bug left.
Oh, fish on.
Fish on! Fish on! Get it on camera, man! Get it on camera!
Oh, that's f***ing big.
Oh! You got the biggest of the day. Hey, let me weigh it.
They're biting.
Dude, that's a belly.
That's a belly, G.
That's a belly.
That's a belly, G. We're weighing.
God.
Woo-wee. Look at that, you guys. They freaking biting, G.
Right there, bro. They chilling. My boy got another one. Look at that guy. Damn, bro. Look at that belly on that little sucker. Look at that. Blip, blip. I can't even reach.
Oh!
What is it?
2 pounds and 5 ounces.
5.
2.5. 2.5, you guys.
Babe, they're biting right now.
Hey. Woo! 2 to 5 pounds. Let's go. There's a grass piling around here.
So like right there, to the left, it drops off.
Yeah. Oh, I had a bite. Had a bite. That bitch turned my kayak. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's a grass piling right here. That's where they're all chilling right now. Thank you, Jesus. Woo! Let's go! Let's go, baby. That's 3. Woo! Oh, with the last 1% on my camera. Let's go. There you go. Thank you for biting.
Oh, that's fun. It's fun.
That's fun. Updating.
Guys, I know it's dark. My boy right there
Hey!
had a great day.
Let's go. We all had a great day.
She got like 7 bests today.
Thank you, San Judas.